Chocolate frosting or chocolate icing is a type of thick and creamy buttercream frosting used to frost cakes, cookies, and cupcakes. Hi and welcome back to Onyx with Hill. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make chocolate frosting at home with very few and simple ingredients. So let's get started. Start by sieving the icing sugar first into a bowl. You want to also make sure you sieve your cocoa powder to remove extra lumps from it. If you want a really smooth chocolate buttercream frosting for your cake and cupcakes, make sure not to skip this step. Using a stand mixer with the paddle attachment, beat your salted butter until creamy and fluffy. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl if necessary and beat again to combine. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes to get this fluffy consistency. Once your butter is soft and creamy, just like this one, add cocoa powder to the butter mixture and beat on low speed for a minute until well combined. You can cover the top of the stand mixer with a tea towel or with the plastic cover that came with the mixer to prevent the cocoa powder or powdered sugar from flying up everywhere. Be sure to stop the mixer from time to time and scrape down the sides of the bowl, then mix again. Go in with your confectioner's sugar and beat again. Still maintain a low speed while doing this. You can add 1 tablespoon of milk to the mixture if it appears too thick. This will help the mixer to spin easily. I also recommend you add about a half cup of the sugar at a time and beat to combine. You don't want to rush this process because you want the sugar to combine well with the butter mixture. Make sure to maintain a low speed until you are done adding all of this sugar. Bring all of the sugar and butter mixture from the sides and mix again to incorporate well. Once you have used up all of the confectioner's sugar, you should end up with a really thick chocolate frosting just like mine. This is the time to flavor this frosting with vanilla or any other extract of your choice. Remember, more milk can always be added to adjust the consistency to your desired smoothness. And if you're not using salted butter like I did, you can just add a pinch of salt to your frosting at this time. Beat this on high speed for a minute and you are done. If your chocolate frosting is too thin, add more sugar or cocoa powder to thicken it. And if it is too thick at the end of the day, you can add a couple tablespoons of milk to adjust the consistency. Now that you have a very thick and creamy chocolate frosting on hand, put it in a piping bag. Go ahead and decorate your yummy cupcakes with it as you like. Wow, this looks really beautiful on chocolate cupcakes. Can you see that? I love this. This frosting is also great for frosting cake layers. So I have my homemade 6 inches chocolate cake here. which I'm going to frost with this buttercream. First of all, let's scrape off the top and the sides of the cake to even it out. If you are going to be frosting a really large cake, let's say a 3-layer cake, make sure to double or triple this buttercream frosting. The recipe is quite easy to replicate. You can check the description box for the quantity of ingredients used for this chocolate frosting. And here is the outcome. What a really decadent cake frosting. I love it. Making your own homemade chocolate frosting is easier than you might think. I hope you like this chocolate frosting, friends. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Also make sure to subscribe to Onyx Food Hill. Until next time guys, bye for now.